Our next artist is Worm Quartet.
Hands are not full.
Oh yes.
Oh no! I've been waiting for this moment. Wait, we have something about this. Is the mic on?
Yay! I mean,
We have the mic on.
Yeah.
The mic is on. Okay, we have something about this thing. Okay, you seen one of these before? Yes! Yeah, it's all right, let's do this. Extract 15 on that stupid little shiny brown thing out that way.
To find out who I am, I'd rather have a Big Mac or a Jumbo Jack than all the bean sprouts in Japan. So don't ask me what I'm into. I don't need to prove I'm cool. When you're wrong, you ask me what's my sign. Don't ask me where my head's at. I don't need to see no string. I go to maybe in the skin, but I'm really not that kind. And I need no hurry to the actual. That kind of your way. And I'm pushing out the distance. Like, wow, man, can you relate? I'm
There's murder and corruption, there's sorrow and there's anguish, there's torture and there's torment, and there's news and there's news, there's business suits and bullies, there's travesties and traffic, there's genocide and homelessness and plagues and corporate greed and fuck you! The bully is eating a flower! Fuck you! The bully is eating a flower! Fuck you! It's a goddamn flower! And the bully is eating it! And it's cute as fucking sad! There's fascists and there's fat cells, there's hellfire and there's hailstorms, and evil men with evil minds keep doing evil things. There's trench coats and tiaras, there's crude oil and colonics, there's STDs and escargot and WMDs and fuck you! The ghost is doing again!
doing a dance!
The internet wants to love you. The internet wants to make it all better. The internet wants to hold you close and caress your hair and bite your fucking nipples. What? There's bankers and there's borders. There's conflicts and collisions. There's agony and effigies, despondency and deities. There's bird flu and there's bomb threats, reactions and recessions. There's blasphemy and bigotry and tragedies and hate and...
Fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! Just look at the monkey! Really look at the monkey! I said look at the goddamn monkey! Fuck you! The pig is doing a goose! Fuck you! The dance is riding a flower! Fuck you! The monkey is eating a bunny! The internet is a big war fuck for the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! A big war fuck for the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! For the fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
I've got a calculator in my bum. It plugs a hole that the poopy comes out from. When I have to add or divide, I have to reach way deep inside, and then I get a really stinky thumb. I've got a calculator in my bum, oh yeah. Dental monopoly! Hooray for plexiglass! I object to that melon. Everything that comes out of this faucet is either wet or Tom Selleck. Hair farm. Deodorize your duck bone.